everyone, welcome back to Emily Kitchen. The dish that we are going to make today is a vegetarian dish. The main ingredients is this king oyster mushroom. So we are going to make a Sichuan spicy mushroom. In Chinese we call 凉拌手撕杏鲍菇. It's something super easy to make. Okay, let's get started and we will look at the ingredients. These are all the ingredients that we need. Chili, garlic, spring onion, sesame, crushed chili. This is the crushed chili that I use. We also need Sichuan pepper oil, salt, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and oil. The first thing that we are going to do is to steam this mushroom for 20 minutes. And now we are going to prepare the sauce for the mushroom, which is also the most important part of this dish because it gives the full flavor to this mushroom. The special flavorful sauce is now done and we are going to move on to do the mushroom. Don't cut the mushroom with a knife, but use your finger to tear the mushroom into strips. Finally, pour the sauce over the mushroom and we are done. Now, do you believe me? It is indeed extremely easy. Finish. So if it is too spicy, you can reduce the crushed chili or the chili, or you can even also put more sugar to reduce the spiciness. Now let's try. It's so yummy. So good. By the way, if you don't like mushroom, you can also use the shredded chicken to replace it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy trying at home and let me know if you like this dish that I have cooked for you today. I will see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.